EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagram software with rich templates for all scenarios. Flowcharts, UML, presentations, and much more. EdrawMax provides a workspace for creating over 280 types of diagrams, including flowcharts, fishbone diagrams, UML diagrams, floor plans, and more. With EdrawMax, now everyone in every industry can easily visualize their ideas in a standout way. With 10,000 plus templates, 26,000 plus symbols, and other resources provided, the possibilities of diagrams are endless. Edrawers can also join and get inspired by fellow Edrawers in the EdrawMax template community. EdrawMax offers complete flexibility with a selection of platforms available to download and to use directly. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and online. Superior file compatibility. You can save and export your work to many file types, including Visio, Microsoft Office Suite, Office, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, JPG, SVG, and more. You can collaborate with different diagram-making tool users. Don't let the file type bother your work. EdrawMax is trusted by over 25 million users and leading brands like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Nike, Sony, and more. EdrawMax is not only the cheapest professional charting software, but we also offer educational discounts and special seasonal deals which can save you 30 to 60%. See the description and the free download of EdrawMax now. Don't forget to subscribe to Wondershare Edraw too.